Hey guys. Okay, so this is just a quick talk about what you guys have to do for today, which is Tuesday, November 10th. Let me make sure it's the 10th. It is the 10th. Okay, so Tuesday, November 10th. So yesterday on Monday, November 9th, you guys should have made sure that you're caught up on all the previous weeks, the week before fall breaks, notes and videos and homework. You should have also gone through the quick notes that I took, the beginning class task, those quick notes that I took on those 3 problems. And then you should have worked on this sheet in your packet, this 1 and 2 where it mixes up greater than and less than absolute value problems. Then today, what you guys are working on. Okay, so today, what you need to do, you have 2 things to do today. You have this page to work on in your note packet, so front and back of this guy. On this, same thing, there are greater than symbols and there are less than. Remember, if it's a less than, you would write negative 10 is less than 2x minus 4, which is less than 10. The lines go in towards one another. Greater than symbol, you would write x plus 7 is greater than 3, and then x plus 7 is less than negative 3, and your lines would go out on that one. So you're going to do all the work on each of these. You're going to show all your work on this paper. You're going to graph these, okay? So you're going to do that first. You're going to do all 12 problems. Once you are finished with that, you are then going to go over to Schoology and in today's folder. So there's a folder that is labeled with today's date, Tuesday, and you are going to do the Schoology assignment, which mixes up the greater than and the less than problems, okay? When you finish this worksheet in class, you are going to turn that into either Miss Carter or the sub, whoever is there. Make sure your name is on it first and last, and go ahead and put your class hour that you're on it, either 3 or 7. B-Day kiddos, you will turn this into me along with this one, okay, both of those, on Thursday when I see you at the very beginning of class, okay? And then once you've turned that in, go ahead and go work on the Schoology assignment. And so whatever you don't finish on the Schoology assignment is homework. And so you have your Wednesday to finish that, and then it'll be due on Thursday. All right, guys, thank you. See you later. Oh, also, while you're working, as long as you are not watching videos, learning the concepts, you are more than welcome to put your headphones in and listen to music quietly as long as you are working. Okay? All right, thanks, guys.